would like to express my thanks to the UK Metals Council and the trade associations for their ongoing support.
We're into year 3, it's just grown exponentially each year. But what I love about it is it's now a sort of community show. You're knowing everybody there, everybody's turning up to actually have a conversation with each other.
People can talk out of the office and they can have different conversations. You can meet lots of different people and you can get people when they're not running around. And I think good negotiations happen at events like this.
That's the best and biggest concentration of the metal manufacturing companies, which is kind of a heart of the UK supply chain.
It's a great opportunity to bring our customers here, talk to our customers, to talk to our suppliers, to also find new suppliers, to find new opportunities that can help each other's businesses.
Metals are key to us. We make parts that supply so many other sectors, so it's really valuable to be here in this community all about metals.
We get to see all of our members, or a huge chunk of our members, in one place, and we get to meet new prospective members, update on the industry and find out what we need to be sharing with our members going forward as well.
For us, it's a great place to just catch up with our suppliers, a few customers and lots of other people we work with across the supply chain.
It's been great to speak to all the customers and our research partners to discuss all the ups and downs in the steel market. That's carbon steel, stainless steel, and get everybody's opinions on where they see it going in the next 3-6 months.
For us, the value of coming here is to meet with our members, to communicate, but also to showcase stainless steel to the industries overall.
So we were here speaking at the event looking for new technical partners for the racing team in the pursuit of winning 24 Hours of Le Mans again.
It's brilliant. It's an insight into what suppliers do for us. You've got all sorts of suppliers, from material suppliers, energy. I think it's a great show to have.
It's a step up from last year. I think it will grow even further, which is really positive for the UK industry.
It has now embedded itself into the metal sector as a place to network, to meet up with customers, suppliers, and to make new contacts and hopefully to learn something.